Hello class, I want to give a short lesson here on transitional words and statements and sentences that you use in your essays to help readers really move from one idea to the next in your writing. They're very important in papers where you are comparing and contrasting information, and they will be very important in Essay 3 where you are taking a controversial issue and you are showing both sides. So again, these are words and phrases that make it easy for your reader to move from one idea to the next. And remember, when you write a paper, you have to think about your audience. You have to think about who is reading that paper and is that person going to understand what I mean, all right? So I pulled up Michelle's paper because on page 2 of her comparison contrast essay draft, she just gives us a couple of paragraphs that demonstrate good use of transitional sentences, words, and phrases that I thought would help everybody. So Michelle has just finished talking about the similarities in iced coffee between Starbucks and McDonald's. All right, so here she moves to a new idea. Apart from their similarities, there are also many differences in the two places. So this is a transitional sentence that helps the reader know she's moving on from what she talked about before, similarities, to how McDonald's and Starbucks are now different. So that transitional statement helps the reader move from one idea to the next. She uses some transitional words in this paragraph. She says, while Starbucks is charging you more, McDonald's is saving you money. So this is another well-balanced statement that shows both sides. Words like moreover also help the reader move along with the information. If you look at the second paragraph, she says, another thing to keep in mind about iced coffee is which one would be better for your health. So again, she's signaling to the reader, I have another topic, and this one is about health benefits related to the coffee. And that sentence helps the reader know that she is making a shift to a new topic. She uses phrases in contrast to Starbucks. Again, transitional phrase. She's going to show something about McDonald's that's different from Starbucks. All right? And if we go on, she says, in spite of that, McDonald's iced coffee, again, in spite of that is a transitional word or phrase that helps the reader move along with the information and know that she's making a comparison. Nonetheless, can also be looked at as a transitional word. And then finally she says, for this reason, it would be essential to choose the coffee with less of these things. And again, for this reason, lets the reader know she's transitioning now to a conclusion about this topic, about the nutritional benefits in these coffees. So keep in mind that those small differences in transitions, in words and sentences and phrases, are part of what helps a reader move through your writing smoothly and easily and understand where you are moving from one topic to another.